Do you remember the energy tank? The energy tank highlighted how it is common to exhaust your energy at work and have nothing but fumes for the ones you love most. We should seek opportunities at work to build energy and motivation throughout the workday. However, that may not be possible every day. So it is important to develop a habit to emotionally transition from work to home. This tool is called Transitional Focus, which is intentionally transitioning your mindset to be ready to give your family or friends your best. Whether you are in a traditional office setting that includes driving to and from work, or you work in the basement at home, adopt the practice of asking yourself these 4 questions as you transition from work to home each day. Number 1, what did I learn today? Number 2, what did I do well today? 3, what are the greatest positive influences in my life? And 4, how can I be the best mom, dad, spouse, or friend tonight? These questions are intentionally designed to get you thinking about things in your life and your day for which you are grateful. Every day, you are given many opportunities to learn from others. By taking a moment to reflect and consciously identify the things you learned each day, you not only appreciate your daily experiences and interactions, but you will also begin to seek opportunities for greater learning and growth. By acknowledging what you did well each day, you will recognize that each day is filled with small wins despite some setbacks. Sometimes the setbacks receive most of our focus. As you transition to home life, think of the positive influences in your life. In the personal whiteboard, the external influences block should serve as a reference to support this practice. Finally, transition into doing mode. That is, pre-decide how you are going to be the best person for the ones you love most. What are you going to do to further develop the relationships you outlined in the personal whiteboard relationship block? These questions serve as focus-altering questions, enabling you to move your focus to the green side of the focus spectrum and move you closer to some of the outcomes listed in your personal whiteboard.